Hello and welcome to my channel Study Chit Chat. We are going through the journey of ratio and proportion. In this video we will cover the problems based on like divide a line segment into some parts or some problem based on alloy mixtures. Start with the first problem where it is given. Let's read the question. A line segment of 1 meter length is divided into two parts such that the first part is 2 by 3 of the second part, and we have to find the length of two parts, and it is mentioned that it is to be found out in centimeters. Let's start the problem. Let's try to do this using some diagram, and you should always try this. If you can make any diagram, any rough diagram for any problem, you should do it. It gives you a good idea to how to solve it. Now let's take this line segment. This is a 1 meter length. It is given that it is divided into, now can you see, is it the correct one? Can the diagram be like this? Should the diagram be this? No. Why? See, here is a point which you should note down. Something is wrong in this. What is wrong in this? I'll tell you. See, as it is given divided into two parts, right? It is not given divided into two equal parts. So unless and until this equal word is mentioned, never divide the line like this. What it means? It means never divide the line into two equal segments, because it will confuse you when you will start solving the problem. You may get confused with this, that the lines are in equal parts. No, it is not given as equal. Okay, let's do it further. How can we do it? We can design a line like this and make a point here to make the two partitions, or you can even do it like this, but do not make it exactly equal. That's the point here. Okay, now let's start solve it. So the first part is, it is given that first part. Now how can you make the equation based on the question? First part, we have written first part, then is means equal to, then 2 by 3 of second part we have written as 2 by 3 of second part. Now this is very clear. If we assume the second part, we can simply get the first part. So let assume the second part be x. First part will be of course 2 by 3 of x. Now it is given the line segment. See, again read the question. Line segment of 1 meter length is divided into two parts. Now we have two parts with us, and the line segment, the total length of line is 1 meter, that is 100 centimeter. It gives us the thing, an equation like this. First part and the second part, sum of these two parts is equal to 100. So we can simply write the linear equation as x plus 2 by 3x is equal to 100. Now I think you can solve it. You are pretty clear about these concepts, how to solve it. We'll take the LCM. LCM is 3. 3 will get multiplied by the numerator, which is x. So it will be 3x plus 2x is equal to 100. 3 plus 2 is 5x by 3 is equal to 100. Now you are again clear. We will keep like this x here, and 3 will go there at the numerator, and 5 will go on the right hand side, making the denominator. So we will get it like this. X is equal to 100 into 3 by 5. Now this 5 and 100 gets cancelled by 5, giving us 20. So 20 into 3 is 60. We get the value of x as 60, and we know x is the second part. So second part is 60, and it is in centimeter because we have converted 1 meter is as 100 centimeter initially. Now the first part would be 2 by 3 of x, that is 2 by 3 of 60. 3 and 20, 3 and 60. 60 will get cancelled by 3. We will get 20. 20 into 2 is 40. So two parts are 60 and 40 centimeters. I hope the question is clear. We will move to the next question. Okay, let's start another problem. Now this is the problem based on some alloy and mixtures. So we are given the question as 5 grams of an alloy contains 3 holes 3 by 4 gram of copper, and the rest is nickel. Find the ratio by weight of nickel to copper. Let's see how we can solve this. Now here we have given as copper, weight of alloy, or the ratio of alloy in copper is 3 holes 3 by 4 gram. So we can solve this mixed form first we'll convert it into the fraction form, which will be 4 into 3, 12. 12 plus 3 is 15 by 4 gram is copper, and it is given that rest is nickel, which means total minus copper is nickel. So copper total is 5 grams and copper is 15 by 4. We can simply do this 5 minus 15 by 4, and we can take the LCM. 4 will get multiplied to 5, we'll get 20. 20 minus 15 and we'll get 5 by 4 grams of nickel. Now the question is given that we have to find the ratio by weight of nickel to copper. So we can simply write ratio of nickel to copper. First we will write the weight of nickel and then the copper, because I have already told you in the first video that in ratio order is very important. So we cannot write it like in any order. We'll have to first write nickel's weight because it is asked as nickel to copper. So 5 by 4 is to 15 by 4. 4 and 4 gets cancelled. You know that we can do this. So it will be 5 is to 15. Again 5 and 15 gets cancelled. So we'll get 1 is to 3. So the required ratio is 1 is to 3. That's the simple solution for this simple problem. I hope this is clear to you. This was about the questions. We'll do some further questions in the next series. So I hope this all is well understood. If you still have any doubts, please do write to me in comments. And guys, thank you for giving a good number of views to my previous videos. But one thing, you are watching the videos but not giving the likes. Please subscribe the channel if you really like this. See, this all is taking a lot of efforts and I'm putting all the efforts to make these videos as best as I can. So please subscribe the channel, like the videos, and yes, press this bell button. What will happen with this? If you press it, you will get the next videos, the notification about the next videos. Thank you.